In this video, we use our laser machine to create custom license plate frames and share why this product may be a great opportunity for your business.
License plate frames. You might not have thought about adding them to your laser business, but they're definitely worth a look. In our past business, we customized them using UV flatbed printers, so we know how well they can sell. If you don't have any products that are purely automotive in nature, then I highly recommend them, as it's a good idea to diversify your product line across different markets. There are some limitations when it comes to decorating the frames using a laser, but it can be done. In this video, I'm going to show you two possible approaches. I'm making the first frame out of 1/8 inch white cast acrylic. Acrylic is UV resistant, so it's very well suited to outdoor applications like license plate frames. I started by cutting some thin frame pieces so I could give the frame a little more finished look. For the main frame piece, I engraved our company logo. The mask was left on so that I could spray paint the logo after. I used some compressed air to blow out the engraving and then hit it with a few light coats of blue spray paint. I peeled the acrylics mask off the back of the frame and the thin edge pieces, and then glued the edge pieces on. These edge pieces are not really that necessary, but I thought it would give a cleaner look. You can sort of get away with just the flat frame shape, as once it's installed, the edges won't be that noticeable. The second frame I made, or actually just decorated, was a white metal version I got on Amazon. We'll provide the link in the description below. Because I wanted our logo to be the same color as the previous license plate frame, I had to mask the frame before engraving. This will create a temporary stencil and also protect the rest of the frame from overspray. I've never engraved this specific version before, so I didn't know what laser settings to use, so I just guessed. The laser removed most of the white finish in the first pass, which was fine since I'm just painting it. But since it was still in the laser, I just sent the job again to remove the finish down to the bare metal. If I left it like this, it wouldn't look that great because there's not a lot of contrast between the bare metal and the white finish. If I had used a darker colored frame, it could have been left as is, assuming the metal was aluminum. If it was some kind of alloy, you'd need to paint or clear coat the engraving so it wouldn't oxidize. I wanted the same blue logo as before, so I hit the engraving with some light coats of the same paint I used earlier. The paint had a matte finish, which complemented the matte white finish of the metal frame. Flat and matte paints are also nicer to work with as they dry fast. I think this one came out really nice. If you were going to sell a license plate frame, a metal version is going to make for a nicer product. The customer would definitely perceive it as a more premium product compared to anything acrylic or plastic.
Thanks for watching. There's a link in the description to join our Patreon for access to designs and files shown in our videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to get notified of future projects. We have more videos coming soon. Stay tuned.